Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You are watching another episode of Izzy's Review. That's never going to get old for me, so get used to it. This is the point in my channel where I give you my opinion, even though you didn't ask for it. So today we're going to be doing a hair care review. As you can see, I am a natural sister. I love my kinky, coily hair. But if you follow me on social or watch a lot of my videos, you know that sometimes my curl density, pattern, and I guess stretch ability is different at times. For the past few months, because for these reviews, I actually use the product and I want to give you my honest opinion on it. This thing is empty. I've been using this for the past few months and I want to say that I love it. I was skeptical about it. Let me back up and tell you what the product is. It is As I Am, and it's the Twist Defining Cream. So I'm skeptical about using any products on my hair because I'm worried about drying it out, and I'm also worried about chemicals that inadvertently straighten my hair. I'm natural. I don't want straight hair. I don't want my curls to be straightened and I have inconsistencies with my curl pattern. It's a journey. I'm learning, and I said, okay, I'm kind of a little bit tired of the wash and go. For a while, I used just coconut oil for my twist out. And let me clarify, there's a lot of people online who are like, oh, people only wear twist outs to look like a mixed chick, you know, to have your curls be stretched and not really froey like my hair is today. But for the purpose of this review, I have worn this twist out for 10 days now. And I use this product with the twist out. And at night, I do maybe 8 to 10 big twists while I sleep. I sweat a lot in my sleep. And honestly, for me, I wear twist outs to prevent these fairy knots. So I don't wear it to try to have a curl pattern that isn't mine. I wear it to preserve my hair by not having knots and by not shedding and drying my hair out. So it's a protective style for me. And I don't, whatever your reason for wearing a twist out, that's your business. So people, let's not be haters, okay? Can we not hate? Can we let people do what they do? So, although this is a twist out, I do want to say this is my curl pattern. If I was to wash my hair and put this product all over it and let it air dry, my curls would be like this all over my head. But I do twist outs because I like my hair to be stretched so those fairy knots won't come in those balls. Because my hair balls up on the ends, and when I try to detangle it, it's like a knot, and I lose a lot of hair. So to prevent that, I do twist outs. Long explanation. Sorry to be so long-winded, but I wanted to do a little bit of backstory regarding that. So in preparing for reviews and sharing my story as a curly haired girl, I try As I Am. Now I spend about an hour on that aisle looking at all the products and really asking myself what I wanted. And personally for me, I liked the fact that it had sunflower oil, castor oil, beetroot. I like that the oils were listed first, if that makes sense, because I'm really, really big on oils. And I follow the directions. It says to wash and condition hair and use while wet. So I use this product, I twisted my hair, I let it dry for a day, and then I undid my twist out And these are how my curls look a week later, with untwisting my hair, going throughout the day, twisting it back, going to sleep for 10 nights. So, to answer any questions, what does this product do for me? Does my hair feel moisturized? Yes. Does it have a shine to it for the first couple of days? Definitely. Does my hair have body and movement? For the first few days, for sure. For the first few days, my hair is really defined, as you can see. And I have a little more, what do they call it back in the day? Hang time. So as the days go by and as I sleep, because I don't sleep with a bonnet, my hair dries out a little bit more, and then I get a little more of the fro action, and my curls become less defined. I will say I have 3 different curl patterns. In the back, my hair is very fine and it grows very long. In the middle, my hair is tighter, but in the front, my hair is very thin and doesn't coil like it does in the back. It's just a frizz. If you can see the difference. Oh, I love my grays. Look at those grays. It makes me feel like I'm getting wisdom. I like it. So, but these, it's just how my hair is naturally in the front. It doesn't really do a coil like in the back. It's just like a little frizz. So I have 3 different curl patterns, which realizing that in my adulthood explains a lot. You know, when I want to run a flat iron through and have a bang, my hair straightens in like a second. In the back, it's very thin. It straightens very easily. But in the middle, it's coarser. It takes longer. And me reading about natural hair helped me understand that that's why I have 3 different curl patterns, and that's typical. Porosity, density, and all that stuff I'm still learning, and it applies. You know, I have thick hair. You really don't see that much scalp when you part. Comment below if you know the difference between high density hair and porosity, and how do you test at home your level of density and porosity and all those lovely terms. Back to the review. So As I Am has a line. I purchased this with my own money and I tried it for 2 months, and I am down to an empty jar. So I thought it was a perfect time to give my review. I love the smell. Oh, it smells so good, and it honestly doesn't take a lot, but detangle your hair first. You will cause a lot of breakage and a lot of shedding if your hair isn't detangled first, because immediately when my hair is wet and then I put the cream on, the twist defining cream, my hair immediately starts to curl. And if it's not detangled, you're gonna cause breakage and extend your time for your wash day. Another thing is it doesn't take a lot, but your hair has to be wet. Detangle, wet, cream. I usually don't put an oil on top, but when day 5 or 6, when I'm untwisting my hair for the day, I will put a little coconut oil in my hands and detangle. What's something else that I want to tell you about this? Dry time takes a while. When I do just a regular wash, and then I do my twist out with just coconut oil or argan oil or Moroccan oil, my dry time is typically a day. With this, it's a good 2.5 days. And if you don't let your hair completely dry first, your twist out will not live as long. So that's why my hair is getting a little bit more height and my curls are less defined, because I didn't let it dry. I didn't have that much time. I had work to do that required me to be on camera, and I needed my twist out. So only had 1 day. So that affected my twist out. Because in the past with this product, I've kept the same twist out for 2 weeks. And with my coconut oil and my argan oil, it doesn't last that long. I'm lucky if I get 5 days out of my twist out, even with me preserving my style by twisting it at night. So what else? What other questions would we have? It smells good. It does leave a residue, so I wash my hands really good when I'm done. I try not to, it really doesn't leave anything on my pillowcases. I don't have a problem with that. And as opposed to the oils, I don't have any drippage while my hair is air drying. So I really like that. I really like that when I had to twist out with this product that I do have some length and the shrinkage isn't as harsh because my hair is so thick and I live in the South right now. The humidity is very cruel to my curls. So I don't do wash and goes as often. It doesn't work for me. So no judgment to people who do just fine with wash and go. So if I did a wash and go and I would run my hands through with this product, I think your curls would last through the day. There's no drip. You don't have to worry about the product dripping on your clothes, but I don't think it will be dry by the end of the day if you did a wash and go and just massage the cream through your hair, put on your clothes and walked out the door. No drip, but it will still be wet well past lunch. Well, I hope this review was helpful, and I really I take great pleasure in bringing these reviews to everyone. If you have a product that you want me to review or that a question about what I use in my day-to-day life, leave a comment below. And thank you for your time. Until next time, Izzy.